Just like that, Lauren, we're in Chicago.
Just like that. This is the horse.
That's true. Okay, so last time we were here, they did not have that train running, but that was cool. But we're officially getting our rental car, heading to Chicago. Are you excited? This is gonna be fun. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning.
So it is early morning. We didn't really finish much yesterday. We ate food at Giordano's, which was delicious. But now we are heading into the city to go to the, what's the name of the Science Museum?
Museum of Science and Industry.
Yeah. Okay, so you have been here before.
It's been years.
Like years as in like decades,
like
or
first time.
years as in decades, or?
I'm pretty sure the last time I was here was in high school.
Oh dang, okay. But like, first impression, this place is huge. Because we had to go down an escalator to go back up an escalator. And now it looks like we're going up even more escalators. Okay, so we made it into our first room, which is all about boats. And this museum is huge. There's like 3 or 4 levels of it, but boats. Okay, so we went from normal old school sailboats.
Passenger truck.
Yeah. Okay, now we left boats and we are now in cars and automobiles. And oh wow, that is like a 3-wheel. Did I tell you technically when I got my motorcycle license, anything with 3 wheels, I don't know if it was the same rule back then, is considered a motorcycle, at least in the state of California. So technically by standards this would be considered a motorcycle, but I don't think it is anymore. But also I like this one more than this one, and this one came out earlier than that one. Because this one just has that classic feel, you know? Oh man. This museum's cool, honey. I don't know why. I always thought it was Ashton, like ASH, not Aston. Okay, Lauren, so we just went up the purple stairs because they're literally labeled purple. And where are we at?
Bicycle.
We're at the Art of Bicycles, and it's like all kinds of bikes. So I found a wooden bicycle. We're trying to figure out the best one here. Okay. What is your favorite seat?
Like, I feel like I should say, like, these ones are good for if you're doing this. These ones are good for...
Oh, you want to know which one the best one is to, like, sit on. I thought you were going, like, best design. I was going best design. Okay, but what's your favorite design? Because, like, you're right. They should let you know which one's the best comfort one. I think my favorite design one, this one gives, like, a classic look. But then also I'm like, that one makes me feel like I'm sitting on a throne. You know? But then there's also this one that makes me feel like I'm a cowboy in like the Old West. You know?
Get on that saddle.
So I am on this side here, and Lauren, say something.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. I don't know if you guys can hear Lauren, but she is like way over there, and there's this room. Oh, she's singing to me right now, but this is crazy technology. Look, that's so cool. But yeah, she was looking away the entire time, talking, and it just bounced off and came to. This is a cool room. I'm like so tripped out on the science behind it, but it's so cool. That was so. So now we are in the ice area. Oh, this is like an actual ice block.
How do people do that?
You keep your hand there for a very long time. Oh my. Lauren, this is, I think, the largest museum in general that I've ever been. Guys, this is like multiple floors high. This is nuts. Okay. I absolutely love trains have a literal full-size steam engine right here. This place is huge. Oh my god. Okay, there's some things I see over there that we're gonna... Honey, I was getting fascinated by the train, and then I looked right behind you there, and there's a literal like tornado thing going.
That's
like
where we're going next.
Like this is like a different level science museum. So this train broke the world record for speed back in like the 18 something, and it was it went like 111 miles per hour. It was pretty cool. But yeah, they let you literally go up and onto this historic train. It's so cool. I don't know what this button does. It says watch molten. Okay, the button doesn't do anything. But guys, this is a crazy model train setup. Like it literally, this is the biggest model train setup I've ever seen. We also have a miniature version of the city. That is the Sears Tower, or Willis, depending on what you want to have. But like, dang, this is nuts. Okay, it's a little broken button, but oh.
Hey, you gotta stay by us, okay?
We found another button. Okay, here, push, go. Oh, it's going. You're moving the crane.
No, this one's the crane.
Oh, I don't know what that one is then.
The horn.
Oh, I can hear the horn then. Look at that. This one works. The molten lava is the only one that doesn't work then. That was cool. This is realistic-ish. We're now in like an area of like Seattle, but there's like a car right there and one right here that has just people dancing on the back of it, the model. It's very interesting. Oh, there's a button. Oh, I missed what happened. Okay, go for it again. No. Okay, well, wait a moment. Gotta give it. Yeah. Gotta give it the reset. Okay. Oh man.
I'm kind of disappointed
that was,
there's no explosive.
So it just fell. Didn't explode. The rocks fell. They didn't explode, but here, you push it. Maybe you'll get better luck. It just got very dramatic lighting in here.
What's going on?
Oh, she got the... Okay, so this thing allows you to create an avalanche. So I can spin this. We're gonna spin it. Oh, that's so cool. And then I can turn it and it goes a little slow. That's so cool. Okay, Lauren, we're finally at this tornado thing that I saw earlier. What is this? What is happening? What is going on? What are all the...
It's an air vortex and we can control the air.
Wait, how do we control it? Oh, that board.
Yeah, so each of those is a letter and it controls the letters right here.
Oh, whoa. Okay, we need to get on the board. There's some on this side and there's some over there. Okay, we're gonna grab a board. That's so cool. Okay, let's grab it. Wait, so what happens when you push them?
So like I just did all of them.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah, it pushes that. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, what are we doing now?
We're gonna look for swirling patterns in the thermal image.
Okay. I'm looking, and there's also a little car that's like going around in circles here. Okay, Lauren, you just made a tsunami happen. Also, there's some siren that just happened, like yeah. I literally have no idea what's going on anymore in this museum.
Okay, let's do a small.
Okay, we're going small. We're going small tsunami. Is it? Oh, it has us wait. Trigger wave. Go. Oh, it's a little one.
Yeah, the big one was.
Okay, Lauren, we just found like a really cool room. I don't even know what we want to call this room, but it's contrasting colors and mixing colors, and go for it, honey.
That's kind of cool because then, yeah, that changes those colors.
Oh, yeah. Vortex, honey. I don't think we're succeeding at the vortex thing. We'll make it work. I'm gonna try on this one. You take, look at that vortex Lauren got. Okay. Oh, we have to build the electromagnetic to launch the ring higher. Okay. Yes. Next. I don't know what I'm doing. You gotta help me, honey. Yeah. Okay. Current's coming in. Yeah. Yeah. Next. I'm not reading these. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing right or wrong.
It's not all the way down, so I don't know.
Oh yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. Well, that was anticlimactic. Look at this. It's like the literal inside of the engine. So this is the plane. We're on the top floor now. You can actually go in the plane. Okay, I made a turn. I don't know where Lauren is right now. She's wandering somewhere else. But I made a turn, and there is a full-on submarine in the basement area here, which is wild. Holy cow. Okay, and this museum, truthfully, is one of the best science museums I have ever been to. Guess what, 25 bucks? I think they have little things that we didn't do that you could technically add on. They're like $12 here, $15 there. We didn't do those, but like you legitimately need the entire day.
Yeah.
Because we got here at what, 10? Right? Maybe 9?
10:30.
10:30? It is currently 3:30, and we just wrapped
We
up.
like went through everything too.
Yeah, we went through everything, and yeah, so it's a full day experience, but truthfully one of the best science museums I've ever been to, because it covers everything. I'm not sure what the next adventure is, but we'll see you guys there.